Hey, awesome morning changers. Today I would like to show you this letter structure, that is letter J. Here you can see this letter J has loop with a dot above it. This J is straight and a dot. This J curvature, a dot at the left side. Dot at the left side. Here dot at the right side. Here J looks like I and it is very long with no curvature. This J has loop with a dot. I don't know this kind of J, but still there are some formations which you feel it is not available but still remains there. So this is one kind of J, and this J with a starting stroke. Okay. So there are different varieties of J. Different varieties of J. Now you have to check in your letter formations, words, how you make your J. Is there a curvature or not? Is it straight down, coming down? Is it going below the line, above the line? If you are writing on a rule sheet, rule paper, the dot, is it at the left side, right side? It is more above the line, or it is like very near touching the J stem? How it is? The curvature is there, the loop is there, loop is where the loop is coming, at the down part or the initial part, where the letter, when you are writing this letter and connection, like if you are writing a word journey and there is a word J in journey, J and O, how are you connecting the J with the letter O, or are you disconnecting it, or write twice thrice the same word and see how are you writing the same J with the same kind of connection, or you are having different varieties of connection to the next letter. Check with other words like jumbled or juggle, jungle, words which contains letter J, and see how it is seen. Then we'll now very few letters left with this write in, see how you are writing the letter formation in your words. And after we finish this small letter structures, we will come with the live session. Let me know when you people are able to connect in the live session, so that we'll connect, will provide the details of these letter structures on a live session. So do connect to us and give us your valuable feedback. It is more important for me to know from you people how you are taking these letter structures and what kind of structures do you see in your regular writing, which I'm not able to mention it here. Do send your letter structures and we'll talk about those letter structures on our live sessions. So meet you soon. Stay tuned and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.